Hi guys, it's Maaike. Today I'm back with the AAA cards challenge card. It's 237 shaped card and optional, could be Easter because it's that time of year. But this is the card that I made. I don't know if you can see it. It's supposed to be a cloud. At first I did it on a normal A6, that's 10 by 15 centimeters, but it was a bit weird and high and so I did it on a slimline. I thought that it would be a bit more of an elegant cloud. So I'm cutting the top as a cloud, and I just freehanded that with my pencil, and I'm cutting through both of the layers to get a same back and front, and I made sure that the fold is on the bottom. But I thought, hey, it doesn't stand, does it? If I stand like this, so whereas I wanted to make the bottom straight and then the cumulus cloud shape at the top, I changed my mind. So there's my prerogative. It's my card. Yeah, it does stand on the little bumps there. I do reinforce the fold lines again because it doesn't stay flat. And it is slimline, but there's a bit of piece missing. And of course, AAA cards is all about clean and simple. And I thought, what can live in clouds? So I pulled out the stupid Cupid from Clearly Besotted, and I did stamp all the images a few times, and also the clouds included, and also the sentiment, which is love is in the air. There's actually one that says stupid Cupid, which would be me. I don't like Valentine's Day, but give it your best shot. That would be fun if I used the one with the bow and arrow and missed me. Yeah, that's when you try to love arrow by Cupid, I think it is, and then he missed me. Yay! So I'm coloring it with my twin markers from Decotime twin markers brush. And if you see it shift, I couldn't find it when I went back editing. My cat jumped on my filming shelf, and then whoa. Yeah, well, and also it went a little bit out of focus at some point. I think I zoomed in too much, so I cut that off. But I did them all the same color, which is pinkish hippopotamus and minty, what is it, pants, trousers, cloth, and a bit of red because they are hearts, and there's hearts in the little clouds as well, but I didn't do them red. I just kept them as clouds, heart-shaped clouds, I guess. And I did them all the same color because I wanted to keep it minimal. And I did cut off quite a corner, but the shaped card is not rectangular nor square. So any shape that you can think of is good. See, this is where it went out of focus. So I kind of cut it out. I do them all the same color, and you only need to see one. Minty pants, because I didn't want to do them like warm gray. That looks like filthy diapers. Nope. But yeah, as I say, I did cut off quite a lot of the corner on the bottom of the cloud or my slimline. So in order to keep it as clean and simple, empty space galore, I could have added just one, but that felt like that wasn't enough, to be honest. They need to interact with each other. For some reason they look at each other. And yeah, I couldn't find the right blue because I think I left my swatch card out in the open sunlight thing, and it kind of bleached already, so that's okay. I should take more care of my stuff, don't I? I don't, but I should. Anyway, here's just a quick coloring. I didn't do any coloring on the card base because again, clean and simple means white or empty. Cloud is white, I'm lucky there. But no pattern, no coloring, no splattering, no embossing, no nothing on it. And minimal layers, minimal embellishments. I didn't use any embellishments except maybe if you count the clouds. But yeah, I liked it. And yeah, the game badge says Easter shape card sounds fun, and that's because it's almost Easter, but you don't have to. And you can make it airplane shape, triangular, I don't know, sun-like star shape. It doesn't matter. But I thought the star is difficult because you lose a lot of white space or card front. And yeah, as I'm showing you here, I think I need to calibrate my scan and cut again. See, it's a bit off. I can't see that. Or it shifted when I was cutting. I'm not sure. We'll see. But don't look at it. The link to my blog is down below, and also to the AAA Cards Challenge blog. If you want to play along, you have 2 weeks as usual. And I think it's a fun challenge. A shaped card. I'm quite the rectangular person, but I thought it was fun, even though the bumps are on the bottom. That wasn't my idea, and yeah, you have to adapt while you're making art or think of something else. I could have made this round as well, maybe. I didn't, but I like this. It's something different. And it still fits in the envelope of a normal, legal envelope. So that was fun as well. And yeah, for now the Valentine's Day, of course, is come and gone because it's April. But I'll keep it. I mean, I don't have any Valentines to send them to. But I thought these have wings and they are in the sky. So that made sense to me. So otherwise it doesn't make any difference. So links are down below. Come and join us, play along, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.